everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. I'm so happy that y'all are joining me today because I am doing my first ever cloud pour with the guidance of the amazing Tiffany from Willie B Studios. Now definitely go check her channel out because her cloud pours are just simply amazing, and I'll have her channel linked down below. But before that, she will be teaching in person at PourCon in Vegas from August 6th through August the 9th. So if you want to take your fluid art journey to the next level, definitely go check PourCon.com out. I will have that link down below as well. This was a huge learning experience for me because Tiffany uses the Vallejo Pearl pouring medium, and I did not have that because it is on back order till August the 9th or 10th. So I had to use her alternate recipe, which is the Artist Loft and Deco Art Satin Enamel. And I realized the satin enamel really causes some puffy clouds, which I didn't really like. So let me know in the comments if I should keep this cloud pour or pour over it. Overall, the interference pigments, my This Little Piggy pigments, were amazing and gave such an awesome color shift. But I definitely would like to try this with the Vallejo pouring medium. So without further ado, let's go check my color. Okay, y'all, let's check out the colors that I'm using today. I'm definitely using my This Little Piggy pigments. So the first one I have is Rose Quartz right here. It is a interference pigment that gives a red goldish color shift. And here it is right here. This is my consistency. The way Tiffany mixes these for her pours, she uses Josanya varnish and Sax gel medium. I used Josanya varnish, but then I didn't get the Sax gel in time, so I used the regular golden gloss gel. Any gel medium should do. This is Sarah Mac's original recipe, and I'll have both channels linked down below. So yeah, I squirted a little bit of Josanya, dispersed the pigment with the Josanya, and then added some golden gloss regular gel, mixed it up, and you basically have paint at that point. And then I added my 2 to 3 parts of Floetrol. So this is my consistency right here. As you see, it is pretty thick. Tiffany likes her paints thick. And I did let these set for 3 days. So I mixed them up Monday, and then today's Thursday. So yeah, 3 days I let these sit. So here is Rose Quartz. And then my next layer is Amsterdam Oxide Black. So just regular Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed with 3 parts of Floetrol. And here is my consistency right here. Again, it leaves about a 3-second trace. It should disappear. Your line should disappear within 3 seconds. So yeah, there's my Oxide Black. Next, I wanted to use this Little Piggy Brulee. This gives a really beautiful copper, orangey shift, and it's just absolutely stunning. So here is Brulee right here. There's the consistency. And as you see on the stick, it's leaving a really beautiful orange coppery shift right there. And then my next layer is the cloud mix. So I did not have Tiffany's Vallejo Pearl medium, so I used her alternative recipe, which is the 1 part Artist Loft paint to 1 part Deco Art Satin Enamel, and 2 parts Floetrol, and a splash of Liquitex pouring medium. I actually used Golden Gloss medium, so I put a splash of that. But yeah, this has the same consistency as my other paints, And don't worry, I will have everything listed down below. So that was my cloud mix. And next I want some nice red translucent clouds. So I'm using Amsterdam Carmine. I absolutely love this red color that Amsterdam has. So that is my next color. And here is my consistency. I mixed a little bit extra because I'm gonna use this as my base extender. But yeah, you see, it's the same consistency as my other paints. And next I will layer this little piggy Golden Peach. I absolutely love this color. It is peachy, it is corally, goes great with any beach pours, swipes, anything. So again, really beautiful color. And there's my consistency. I'm not gonna put too much, so I didn't mix a lot. So this is mixed just as brulee and rose quartz. So there you have it right there. I also mixed up some Pebeo iridescent red blue. It's very close to watermelon, which is another great pigment. But yeah, I mixed that up as well right here. I don't know how I'm going to layer this right now. And there's my phone going off, but hey, I'm off work now. And then I also mixed up some Amsterdam Venetian rose because I wanted some magentas in my layering as well. So that is Venetian rose right here. And here's my consistency right there. And I also mixed Soho Quinacridone Magenta. And this is a little bit lighter than Quinacridone Magenta that Golden has. But yeah, it's a really pretty color and it's a great price as well. But yeah, these are the colors that I will be using. And next I will layer my paints in this cup so that y'all can see the layers. And I am using a 16-inch round canvas. I have sprayed it with water in the back. I didn't tape it off. I didn't feel like it. But yeah, here's my canvas. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It is the Master's Touch brand. But yeah, this is what I will be pouring on. And next, let's get to our layering. Well, now I am about to layer my cup. I am layering it first with this little piggy rose quartz, followed by Amsterdam Oxide Black because I want the interference colors to shift and they show better on a darker base or a darker color in between. And this will be followed by this little piggy brulee. And I am layering a little bit of Amsterdam Carmine because I didn't know how the Deco Art would react with the pigments. So that will be followed by my cloud mix and then a larger layer of the Amsterdam Carmine. Tiffany told me to layer that next to the cloud mix because it would give nice translucent red clouds. And there's my Amsterdam Carmine, and this will be followed by this little piggy Golden Peach. And then I will layer my Soho Magenta, followed by my Amsterdam Venetian rose, and then I will basically repeat all my layers till I want my cup full. I feel like I should have used some darker shades of purple just to give it some contrast. It was a lot of red and magentas, but this is my first time and it was a great learning process. Tiffany uses the Vallejo Pearl Pouring Medium. I didn't have that. It's on back order till August the 9th at Blix, but definitely get it if you can. I have placed my order. And next I will share how I will pour this out into my cloud pour. And I just did not like how the satin enamel reacted. It's just so puffy. So yeah, definitely get, if you can, your hands on that Vallejo Pouring Medium, Pearl Medium, then definitely get your hands on that. And here is a close-up of the wet results. You can just see that beautiful color shift from rose quartz and brulee. Again, I wish I used some darker purples for contrast. But overall, it's not too bad. Here is the dried, non-varnished results. I don't know if I will keep this or pour over this, so let me know in the comment section what y'all think. But the color shift from this little piggy pigments is just phenomenal. Super pretty. I will definitely attempt this technique again once I get the Vallejo Pearl pouring medium. And guys, Tiffany is teaching this technique in person at PourCon from August 6th through the 9th in Vegas. So definitely go check her classes out. They are going to be phenomenal. So also check her Instagram and Facebook page and YouTube channel. I'll have it linked down below. And guys, until next time, thanks for joining me. Stay classy, stay safe, and stay awfully awesome, guys. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.